Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. Here's a subject that for those who ultimately go down this route, find alternatives. Find alternatives because the subject here is what are the costs and fees for a payday loan? You, as a consumer, I get it. You might be in a bind. Look, go to a credit union, go to your bank, do whatever you can to try to find an alternative means to borrow some money short term, as opposed to these horrifically expensive and invasive payday loans. What's the cost? In addition to the amount you borrow, payday lenders generally add a finance charge that's a percentage or dollar amount per $100 borrowed. The amount of this finance charge can range from $10 to $30 for every $100 borrowed, depending on your state law and the maximum amount your state permits you to borrow. A charge of $15 per 100 is common. This equates to an annual percentage rate of almost 400% for a 2-week loan. So, for example, you need to borrow $300 before your next payday. It will cost you $345 to pay it back, assuming a fee of $15 per 100. Keep in mind, credit card, the worst credit card out there, might be 30% on an annual basis. So this $15 on a credit card would be about $1, okay? Do what you can to avoid these things. Different types of cost or fees for payday loans. In addition to the finance charge, you may incur other types of fees with your payday loan, and they just stack them on top of each other. So you have a renewal or rollover fee. If you're unable to pay when your loan is due and your state law permits rollovers, the payday lender may allow you to pay only the fees due, and then the lender extends the due date of your loan at an extremely huge cost. You will then be charged another fee and will still owe the entire original balance. Using the above example, if you pay a renewal or rollover fee of $45, you will still owe the original $300 loan and another $45 finance charge when the extension is over. That's $90 for borrowing $300 for just 4 weeks. Repayment plan fees. Some state laws require payday lenders to offer extended payment plans to borrowers who have trouble repaying their payday loan. These laws vary by state and may or may not permit or require a fee for using a repayment plan. If your state requires a lender to offer extended repayment plans, you may be able to get additional time to repay your loan without any additional cost or fees. This means that you can pay off your loan rather than borrowing again, incurring more fees and getting further behind in debt. If your state does not offer this, some lenders may still allow you to take an extended repayment plan, which is different than a rollover. You should ask your lender about this option if you have trouble paying back the loan. Find out before you walk down this path. In addition, if you don't repay the loan on time, the lender might charge a late or return check fee, depending on state law. Your bank or credit union may also impose an NSF or non-sufficient funds charge if your check or electronic authorization is not paid due to a lack of funds in your account. Again, you're going to have a checking account. Talk to your bank. Talk to your credit union. Say, look, I've got to go down this route. It's a payday loan. Can you guys help me out? Prepaid debt card fees, they're going to nickel dime you to death. They're horrible. They're just horrible institutions. I don't know how the states allow these people to be in business. If your loan funds are loaded onto one of these cards, there might be other fees associated with the prepaid card. For example, there may be fees to add the money to the card for checking your balance, calling customer service, or simply using the card. There may also be a regular monthly fee. Be sure to read the loan agreement carefully to spot all the fees and costs before you walk down this horribly just landmine-filled path to a loan. And if you have any problems, talk to your state regulator or attorney general. Comment, let me know if you've gone down this path. Are you still walking down this crooked path, or did you fix the problem? Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. Thanks for watching. Hope that helped. See you soon.